In this video, we will install and configure Microsoft Entra Connect, through which we will sync our on-prem Active Directory to Entra ID. To perform this lab, we should have a on-prem Active Directory, and we should have the Office 365 license. That should be either E1 license or F3 license. So in this lab, I have a E1 license to perform this lab. From my previous video, you can take a help how to create Office 365 free account. We will download Microsoft Entra Connect from Microsoft download website. This link I will share in my video description. So from where you can easily download. We'll copy and paste the same link. And from here you can download the MSI file. It will download. I'm installing Microsoft Entra Connect on a DC server because it's a test environment. You can install it on a separate server, and do not allow all the internet, allow only the ports that has been needed for Microsoft Entra. Microsoft Entra has been successfully downloaded. You can open it from downloads, double click the MSI file. So you can select I agree. Continue. Use express setting. Enter the credential of your Office 365 license. I have entered my credential. Now we will enter the credential of our on-prem Active Directory. So it's IT Champions, Administrator, and enter the password. Select continue without the UPN suffix. Click next. So it's ready to configure. Select install. It's configuring. It will take little time. Migration has been completed successfully, so we will exit. Now I will show you which user has been replicated from our on-prem Active Directory to Entra ID. So first I will open the on-prem Active Directory. Active Directory users and computers. The users in marketing OU, that is Rail and Wakar, IT OU, Abdullah, Arsalan, and in HROU, that is Jalil and Wakas. So now we will open the Microsoft account from admin.microsoft.com. Here we will expand the users, and here we will I will show you active users. As you can see that this user has been successfully synced from on-prem AD to Entra ID. Abdullah, Adil, Arsalan, Rahil, Wakar, Wakas. And other than this, you can also see the synchronization status from here. Select all apps, and here expand Microsoft AD Connect, and here select synchronization services, select the operations, and as you see that the every 30 second it is replicating the objects. These users are has been exploited, and that update, as you can see that it has replicated the ITOUs, HROU, marketing OUs, operation OUs. Other than this, you can also check it from PowerShell. Open run as admin. Uh, from here, copy get id sync command. As you can see that the synchronization period is 30 minutes, and it has been synchronized the whole domain. And now how to change the time of the synchronization. We will change the time to 1 minute. It will take little time to set the time. So it has been successfully deployed. Now we will again check. Now the customizing cycle has been changed to the 1 minute. Now, if we have a requirement to synchronize a new OU from on-prem to Entra AD, so how can we replicate the new OU to the Entra AD? So double click the Azure AD Connect, select customize, select customize synchronization option. Here enter your Office 365 account, enter the password, enter the code, Now it will log in. Select as it already your domain has been selected. Click next. Here select a synchronization. Selected domain and OU. Sync a selected domain and OU. Here unselect the all OUs and select the OU that has been newly added, and then click next. I will select anyone because I did not need to, and select next, and select configure. It will replicate the newly OU to the Entra ID.